right here is the New Market Wizards. So why am I calling this video The Psychology of Trading? My other two rules, my other two videos have been, one, think for yourself, and then two, don't lose your money. So again, watch the other videos. But now, I'm calling this The Psychology of Trading. Now I mentioned in the last video that you need to tailor what you do in the markets to your personality. So let me read you a couple passages from the New Market Wizards that I guess back me up in what I'm telling you. Alright, so I'm not going to tell you who these traders are. I'm going to mention, read quotes from various traders in this book. Read the book. Okay, there's 3 books you should read so far. Read them. You're going to learn, you're going to make money in the market. If you have a little money to start with, you can take that money and you can make thousands, tens of thousands. You really can. So learn how to do it because it's profitable and it's fun. But again, you have to have the interest. I mean, if you don't have the interest, obviously just don't watch my videos. But you wouldn't be watching these videos if you didn't have the interest. At least that's what I think. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to read some quotes. The bottom line is that the trading style of successful traders tend to match their personalities. So again, the reason I'm reading these quotes is because these are from guys who made millions of dollars. So, who should you listen to? The guys who've done it. The guys who've been successful. The guys who've developed their styles and plans, executed, and made millions. So, what is the first rule of trading? Again, this is this person's opinion, not mine. I would argue that before anything else, the prospective trader must find the approach that he or she is comfortable with. That is, the approach that suits the trader's personality. And then he goes on and talks more. Again, if you're new to buying into the market, there's so many different ways to do it. There's stocks, there's bonds, there's futures, there's coffee, wheat, oil. There's options if you want to add more leverage to your trading. There's so many different methods, so many different time horizons. There are people who buy a position and sell it within 2 minutes. So I mean, that's not even day trading. I don't know, that's minute trading. And there are also people who buy things for very long-term time horizons. There are people who are fundamentalists. There are people who are technical analysis only. Everyone has their own style. Everyone has put time and effort into developing their own style. But the point is, your style that you develop has to match your personality. So that's about as far as I can go with that. You got to read these books. You read these books and you'll understand more of what I mean by that. But obviously I can't tell you how to trade yourself because I don't know your personality. I don't know what you want to do. That's it. But you need to understand that. So nobody can tell you what to do. People can tell you what to consider, what to think about, what different paths you could choose. But nobody can tell you the right path for you. That's up to you to figure out for yourself. So again, I could read many quotes that tells you that one of the keys is matching your style of investing to your personality. So let me read a couple other things. Again, he says, it's important that your approach be personalized. This is a different trader. This is the question. What advice would you give to a novice trader? Again, if you don't like the word trader, if you've been, say, brainwashed into thinking the only way to make money in the market is investing, which is, 10-year time horizons, buy and hold forever, that's fine. But I'm telling you that is one way. Again, that's the point of this. Tailor what you're doing to your personality. That is one way to do it. And it is not the only way, and it's not always the most successful way. For example, in the past 10 years, we have really earned nothing in the stock market as an investor. As a trader, as someone who buys and sells positions more often, there were plenty of opportunities to make money in the market. But as a long-term 10-year time horizon investor, you actually haven't made money so far. You know, in the next 10 years, yeah, we probably will. But that means now you need a 20-year time horizon if you started 10 years ago. It's a long time. Again, we all have to have our own different time horizons, our own different plans. So let me just read. So the question was, what advice would you give to a novice trader? There are 5 basic steps to becoming a successful trader. First, focus on trading vehicles, strategies, and time horizons that suit your personality. Again, and he says 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm not even going to go down there right now. But do you notice the very first thing he said for advice was focus your trading ideas, strategies, and time horizons to suit your personality. So again, these are guys who've made millions in the market, millions. Many of them say the number one thing is whatever you're doing has to fit your personality. So that is why I'm not out here saying you need to do this, you need to buy gold. In fact, I'll let that slip. I think buying gold right now is a very good thing to do. So I'll just GLD, DGP, GG, RBY. Those are all examples of gold plays that I think will make you money. That if you buy on Monday and hold them for a while, you're going to be happy you did. So, but I can't tell you buy gold because I don't know your personality. I don't know what you're looking to do. I don't know what your risk level is. I don't know what your time horizon is, etc., etc., etc. So I'm telling you how to learn for yourself, and you make these decisions because you have to think for yourself. That's my first rule. You have to think for yourself. I can't tell you what to do. I can sort of teach you how to think, and then you tell yourself what to do.